Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my Thinglink. My area of concentration is English language arts. So this is a introduction into the Shakespeare unit. As you can see, we have a picture of Shakespeare, so everybody knows what he looks like. And then if you click on the different icons, there are different content learning tools that the students can use to get to know Shakespeare a little bit better. So we're going to start off with a website about Shakespeare's life, his plays, his theaters. This just gives you kind of an overview into like his whole life, basically. And there's an option for an audio recording to listen to this, which is really cool. But it provides pictures, kind of like an overview, like his death date, when he was born, his occupation, and then this is kind of like more in depth. So just to kind of introduce Shakespeare to the students, I would have them do an activity with this website. Just talking about his background, and some people think that Shakespeare was only a playwright, but he was also a poet, and he did some other stuff, wrote some stories. So yeah, that was my first what is it called? Resource. And then the second resource, just to kind of go into even more depth about that, I have a YouTube video where the students could watch an animated version of his life. And this has sound and subtitles, so this could be really helpful for students, just to kind of, again, get to know his life and like what he went through. And it's animated, which I know students probably like, so I thought that was pretty cool. And then for my third resource, I have oh, not that one back then. Nope, this one. A list of Shakespeare's kid-friendly plays and links to read them: A Midsummer's Night Dream, The Tempest, Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet, Julius Caesar, Macbeth, all of those, which are kid-friendly, because a lot of his work was not meant for children. So this is kind of just like a good way for kids to read his work and really understand it and grasp it for themselves. And there's like a little overview, like this is aimed for children 8 to 11, so it could be like late elementary school, early middle school. They're ebooks, so yeah. And that was my Thinglink.